Okay, so what I did this week is I was able to, first of all, since we're right here, I'm able to get a zoom view of the map and with panning. This only works well here in the map views, if I'm being honest, because whenever I zoom or do anything in the other view, it interferes with the on-click event inside of my draw method. I also fixed up the UI a little bit so that fits a little bit better, looks a little bit nicer. It still kind of overlaps here, which we should stop, but that's an easy set min. Um, um, all right, we're gonna create a raid in customs. That way we can see the Garb menu that I worked on this week. Um, I gotta start the raid. So as you can see here, the Garb circle updates together, and this will update for everyone on the database or anyone on the raid as well. Um, when you click calculate, it'll calculate the average, like I guess, Garb gradient of your team. That way you can see the overall status of your team when you click calculate. And the lower it goes, the closer to red it gets, and the more green there is, the closer to green it gets. Considering that you're cycling between green, um, yellow, red, and black. Once things start going black, starts getting darker, and it will just do a little function for that. Um, the zoom view actually it does. Oh, for some reason, oh there we go. Um, I think I broke it right now. The drawing still works, but oh, there it is. As you can see, you can zoom in. The only problem is you would have to still do this to scroll, and the on-click event is no longer functioning for it. It was earlier, but something must have happened. The tags, they still kind of work, but it no longer shows the tag on your mouse, and you can no longer draw. So I gotta figure out how to fix that. But I did get that zooming going, as well as panning. I was able to pan. I just disabled it while I was testing. But whenever you pan, it does draw. It just kind of like interferes with each other. So I gotta figure out a way to let those things work together, I guess. So for next week, I want to work on that. I'm gonna create the menu for the sidebar. I realized I had drawn small for the sidebar, and probably tidy up the screens. I mean, there's not much tidying up to do. Maybe do a little tidying up on the home page. In the paths, we gotta get this tidied up, and we gotta create the this menu right here. I might do that as well. I might just create a temporary menu for that. Right now, this is just a placeholder. This menu is okay. Um, but yeah, so I'll be working on the zooming for the map. I'll also be working on some UI changes just so it looks nicer if I can figure those out. And I will be working on the menu for the sidebar inside of the raid view.